On behalf of the eThekwini Municipality, I would like to welcome you to the city of Durban. The African Ports Evolution Conference 2014 is an important event and plays a critical role in bringing key maritime stakeholders together to discuss ports issues and create a vital platform for stakeholders to share knowledge and best practices across the African continent and the globe.
I think we've definitely had more stakeholder involvement this year, bringing the conference to Durban. It's been fantastic with the level of support both from the city, the eThekwini municipality, as well as local stakeholders, business as well as port stakeholders.
For me, is they bring to the fore issues that need to be addressed in the maritime space. So people become aware of what the ports are doing, not only in South Africa, but on the continent, also regionally.
It was very encouraging to hear from especially the outside South Africa stakeholders, the innovative solutions that's been implemented in both Ghana as well as Nigeria, and to learn that this is very much in line with the customs modernization program that has been rolled out in the South African environment.
Goods leaving one place, getting to the port and getting stuck there is not trade. It will only be trade when it leaves and gets to its destination, where end users or producers of some other goods would have them in a timely manner to be able to use it for production, so that you and I don't waste much more money taking these transferred costs as a result of delays at the port.
I think the mindsets of the companies in South Africa need to change. They are still stuck in the old regime that there is only one way of importing and exporting cargo, but there are alternatives.
I think African Ports Evolution is a tremendous mechanism because it's bringing together a whole range of partners, some who've experienced the challenges of port development, with people who are considering the problems ahead. So you've got right away through the whole model different stages where people are looking at new initiatives, people who've put them into practice, people who've come to the end of new initiatives, and then experiencing the operational difficulties.
Events such as this are definitely helping promote alternative ports. It helps organisations such as myself to gain exposure and to get an opportunity to tell people about our organisation.
The fact that we've got so many delegates here means there's value for conference goers coming here. One of the key values is certainly in the networking, and we always encourage participants to optimise these opportunities.
We meet with a lot of role players from different companies and business captains, where you can share ideas on how to improve on operational efficiency and also how you can address the gaps that seem to be common because we talk the same language of ports and harbour.
There are many port authorities as well as representatives from the private enterprise, and we think this is indeed the right audience for us to share these ideas and further develop it together.
I think from an industry perspective, it's encouraging for us to realise that we have moved into a direction of catching up on backlogs as far as maintenance and rehabilitation is concerned, and also that there's a strong focus to provide needed capacity for the future.
The plan for next year is to grow scale on the event. So we're planning to have as opposed to just the tabletop vendor display, we're going to a full exhibition, hopefully with in the region of 50 vendors, an African Ports Pavilion as part of the vendor display area. So yeah, it's going to be a much bigger event, hopefully some co-located events as well.